Okay, we're going to take the Winnebago to Otter Springs. Check out the new ceiling Billy has put in. We hung different curtains up. There's the seats. Right now we got the bed dropped down and made up. Loren and Penny are going to go with us tomorrow night. There's a little couch. Penny might sleep there and Loren might sleep in the bed up there. There's the table. There's our bed. Got the ice maker going, the refrigerator's going. Towels are up there. Rafts are back there behind. It's dark, can't see the bathroom and the dark rafts. Anyway, gotta make this short. But Billy's done an excellent job. Check out the curtains. This is laying back in our bed. AC seems to be cooling. Love ya. Bye.